Hello friends and welcome to this channel Infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today I'll show you one of the most popular airdrops or airpods, that is of the brand boAt. Today I've got this. I'm quite excited to show you the unboxing of this product. So let's start. So this is the boAt airdrops. So this is the front side of this box. It has been written like airdrops, twin wireless earbuds, keeps you grooving, Neha Kakkar's picture and all these things. Over here it's a Bluetooth AirPod. While you're walking out, or if sometimes you're trapped in a rain or something, you can also use this AirPod. In this side it is written like ergonomical design, secure fit. This is the right side, top side, and again left side it has been written like 500 mAh carry case, 4x charge up to 5 hours. All these things have been written. Additional 25 hours with case. So here the case is having the battery where you can charge the AirPods while you are moving or while you are doing something else. So one touch voice assistant, so advanced capacitive touch control. So this AirPod has touch control buttons, so it's quite modern. So this is it, and this is the back side. Well, all the details of the AirPods have been given, like made in China. What are the contents of this box, like charger, brick adapter, cable, wire, all the contents of the box, and all the details like labeling and barcode, etc. And boAt has also been written here. So let us open it then. So let's see. Okay, once I do this, wow. So this is the box of boAt. What I get is here the case. This a cushion kind of pad here, and let me first take out this case, the main thing. Well, this is boAt, so I hope it is opening from this side, right? So look, wow, a light is shining, like green blue lights are shining here. So once you open, so it's something like not a dummy case, but it's having all the controls. So if I okay, so this is opening like this. It has a retractable cover, so it automatically gets closed. So let me pick it up, let's see. I think this is magnetic one, so you have to give some force to pick it up. Yeah, some 2 pins are also here, you can see. Again, it gets connected automatically. So for now, let's close this. Okay, what else is available in the box? Let's see. I'll take out this also for the time being. There's a red box here. I think it's the charging cable. Let's see. Yeah, it's the charging cable also. Okay, it's not the charging. Okay, it's the charging cable along with, it's a C-type charging cable. As you can see, these days mobiles and all accessories having C-type charging cable mostly, and a USB connector. So I keep it here, and all these ear cushions, I think these are, let's see. Yeah, if I open it, yeah, these are the extra ear cushions. So the various sizes, according to various sizes, according to your size of ear, you can fix all these things. So this is what I get in this polythene. 1 2 3 4 5 6, almost 6 are there in this small polythene bag. So very good. If I happen to lose anything, or if my size doesn't fit, then I can choose from this. This seems to be bigger, this seems to be smaller. Yeah, these are of different sizes. You can use this according to your ear size. So I will just put it inside back. This is what I get in this box, and these are, I think, yeah, this is the warranty card. I think, yeah, 1 year warranty, boAt. This is the warranty card, and this is the manual how to use this. I think this is the, like, all kinds of products that are being sold by boAt. This is the thing that we have got, and only these are the product catalog, not user manual. I'll keep it aside for now. And this thing is the manual. So this thing tells you how to use the AirDrop. I'll tell you in a while how to use this AirPod of boAt AirDrops 441. So I'll keep it back. So now we'll tell you what are the basic uses of this of this boAt airdrops. So once you open the case, like this, look, this blue and green light will turn up. So this airdrops, you can just lift it. I'll show you how it is functioning. And just, it's a magnetic kind of thing, so be careful when you lift it up. This one, well, these two airdrops can be used individually as well, as it has been written in the manual. Well, to switch on this airdrops, you can see if you take it out, then automatically it switches on. Or if at all you want to do it manually, then it is saying that for 3 seconds you have to hold on. This is the touch screen on both the airdrops. As it has been written, if the light is coming like blue and green alternatingly, then it is pairing with each other for the first time. And it will also seek for Bluetooth devices. I'm searching the same in my my phone set. So let's see, pair a new device. Let me see what available devices it is showing here in the phone. As you can see, airdrops 441, it has come. So once I press here, let's see if it is pairing. Allow access to contacts, allow access to contacts and call history. Okay, fine, pair. So let's see whether it is asking for any password or not. So active 100% battery. One more thing I just want to tell you, that this case acts as a power bank, or this case only charges this airdrops. So if you put this airdrop into this case, then it will automatically charge the airdrops. So it has been seen that airdrops active 100% battery. Let me see what happens. Let me go for settings. I think it has automatically connected with this airdrops. So I'll put it in my ear. Let me see. So just find the L and R button, L and R signal, and then put the same into your left or right ear, because these are specifically designed for each of your ears. You cannot put the other one in another left, or right one in the left, or left one in the right ear. So be careful. I'll show you. There's something called, if you could see, this is R written here. I hope it is visible. Similarly here, L is written here, if it is visible. So this is how I'll just see. So let me see whether the music is coming or not. I'll just play something here. That will be Amazon Music. Yeah, it has started playing. I can hear on both the airdrops, sound is really good. I could hear a deep bass, and really enjoying it. So I hope you saw how to connect airdrops into a Bluetooth device like mobile. And once again I say you, these two airdrops, first of all they pair each other, and then they find for a Bluetooth device to pair. It has been written in manual that if at all it is asking for any password, like you have to this didn't ask in my phone, but somehow if it asks in your device, then you can put password 40, like 0000. Okay, as some other functionality has been written in the manual, like if you hold long touch the AirPods capacitive touch control. This is the capacitive touch control, as you can see in the logo. If you hold on for 2 seconds, then it will activate the voice assistant. Let's see. I don't know what happened. Yeah, the voice assistant has come. You can see. Okay, where is the pyramid? Yeah, where can I find pyramid? What is 2 plus 2? Yeah, as you can see, my assistant has turned up if I press it for 2 seconds continuously. So same thing, if you touch the capacitive touch screen for 3 seconds, then it will power on the airdrops, and for 5 seconds it will power off the airdrops. So you have to continuously press for 5 seconds to power off the airdrops manually. And once you do triple tap, it will factory reset the airdrop. If you face some kind of hanging problem, or sometimes one of the airdrop works, or some other problem you face, you can, as you do in a mobile phone, a smartphone, factory reset. You can do the same in airdrop. Also, if you triple tap it, I won't do it right now, I am just telling you how to do that. And some other functionalities which is written, when you are on a call, a single tap will either answer an incoming call, or disconnect or hang up an ongoing call. And to reject a call, you have to when a call is coming, you can hold it for 2 seconds. If an incoming call is being there in your phone, then it will reject the call if you hold this for 2 seconds continuously. This capacitive touch screen, or touch control, what technically it is being said in the manual. And play pause, if you single tap the capacitive touch control on the earbud to play song, then it will a single tap will, I'll show you. Let's see whether it is doing or not. Yeah, let me see. Look, this play button is being When I press once, it is now playing. Now it is getting pause. Fine. Well, if I double tap the earbud, means this CTC, capacitive touch control, then it should play the next track. Let's see. If I do, yeah, you can see automatically it has been changed to another song. So this is how you can change your tracks or songs in your playlist when you use this earbud. Double tap, it will go to the next song. Single tap, play or pause. So friends, these are the basic things that you need to know while using this airdrops. Frankly, it's a great thing. I haven't seen, actually I had never used this kind of airdrops. So once I got this, I'm really excited, and seeing this capacitive touch control or a touchscreen kind of control on the airdrops, on a Bluetooth AirPods or airdrops, it really makes me excited. I'm quite surprised also that these kind of things are there. It really makes me wonder that this kind of product exists, and you can definitely go for this. It's a boAt brand, and it's hardly 2,500 rupees, and you get so many features in this airdrops. And last, I'll tell you that this is the case, and you can charge this. C-type charger has been given, and you have to charge the case. It acts like a power bank. So once you charge this, it will in turn, when you place this airdrops inside this case, it will in turn charge the airdrops. So amazing technology. I'm really impressed with these things. So definitely go for it if you are a music if you're more on to listening music or doing some or using earphones or headphones. Definitely go for it. It's the future, and it's the thing which is in trend, so you'll never regret it. So I'll place it again here safely. Let's see. I'm finding it a little difficult because I'm using it for the first time. I'll place it. Always see whether you're placing it in the right pocket or not, because it is R. I was placing it wrongly in the L, so please see to it. Okay, yeah, it is magnetic. It will automatically suck it or attract this AirPod into the right position. Yeah, you can see. So once I do this, it's again gone back into charging mode. If at all there are some charge exhausted or some battery exhausted by some small uses. So friends, I hope this video was quite useful, how to use a modern capacitive touch control AirPod. I have unboxed the new airdrops of boAt and also told you the basic functionalities. So if you purchase one, go through the manual or see this or look into this video to get some basic idea of how to use airdrops or AirPods properly. So friends, that's it in this video. If you found this video useful, please like it, share it, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such small videos, technical videos, which will make your digital life easier, simpler, and happier. So till our next video, see you again. Thank you.